everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I am so excited to share with you an amazing jackpot Dollar Tree haul. These are high-end items you're gonna want to keep your eye out for the spring season. And listen, you guys, I found these at the smallest Dollar Tree in our area. So take heart if you guys have a small Dollar Tree. Hopefully these will be at a store near you soon. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, the first amazing jackpot item to share with you all is the Dollar Tree window storage bin. Okay, so here's how it looks hanging. I'm going to share this with you guys so when you're hunting, you know what to look for. And then here's how it looks once it's kind of out of its tote, and then you just push in the little bottom, and check out how cool this is. And you guys, this is so large. There's so many things you can put in this, and it is so amazing for storage and organization. It comes in the white, and it also comes in the black. Check this out. These are so high-end looking. They're so nice. And I have been searching TJ Maxx high and low for storage containers for my little crafting studio, and actually for my spot where we have kind of like a little workout area. And I did not want to spend, you know, hundreds of dollars on storage totes, because I don't know why, but storage totes this size, even canvas ones, are really expensive. I was able to organize the entire area for only $8. So jackpot on that one. Keep your eye out for it. Again, I found this in the smallest store in our area, so they should have these. Here's how they come hanging in the packet in the storage organization section. The next jackpot spring organization find are the Dollar Tree locker bins in these pastel shades. Okay, check this out. You guys know I am crazy in love with pink colors, but listen, they have several different shades to choose from, and these are so high-end looking in these different colors. If you guys go on Amazon and search for these pastel colored bins, they are so expensive. So you guys can get these in the pink, the teal, there's like a peachy color, and then also the gray. Now for me, I picked up some in the pink and also in the turquoise blue. Reason being is I have some organizational projects going for my daughter and I in our bedrooms, in our closets. And so I've already organized my bedroom using this size and style. So they also have, here's the two different ones. They have the elongated one and then also this square one. I measured my shelf, and this one was the perfect one, depth and width wise. I cannot wait to share this project with you guys. These are super high end. And again, they also have these in gray if you don't like the pastel colors, which is an amazing jackpot find, again, from Dollar Tree. Okay guys, the next incredible find were the collapsible storage bins. They're 10.5 by 11 inch by 10.5, and they come in several different shades. So I picked up some with this little pink handle. They're also gray, so they're not going to be overwhelmingly pink. Here's how they look once they're out. Check out how much can fit down inside of here. So for my closet organization project, I was able to use some of the locker bins on one end, but then in the top bin, I needed somewhere to store my out of season stuff. So I have like Santa like shirts and all these things that I just don't need to see throughout the year. So as obsessed with I am as the home edit show, where they're showing all these clear organizational items, they're like hundreds of dollars to try to reorganize your entire closet. I don't think it's necessary. I think we can spend $1 on some of these nice little collapsible storage bins for the tops of our closets, put some cute hang tags on them, and we're good to go. Another incredible find are these super adorable lock top sandwich organizational boxes. Okay, these are 4 sandwiches, but I picked a couple of them up for smaller crafting supplies. They also lock the top, and that is really nice if you guys are a clumsy crafter and you need to store like a ton of beads in here or little jewels, and you don't want them like flopping out. And the other thing is my daughter has become super interested in packing her own lunch, and she loves to have these like super really neat little adorable containers. She was so amazed when I brought these home. She was like, oh my God, Mom, where did you find these? Dollar Tree, you guys. Also, to go along with the little sandwich containers are these little smaller, like lock top snack containers. They're stackable, which I love if you're using them for your craft room. And again, I got some in the teal and some in the pink. Teal for my daughter, and then the pink ones for me for my craft storage. The other thing is check out this size, you guys. This would be absolutely perfect if you're going to be just traveling, or you need somewhere to put like Q-tips and cotton balls, jewelry, anything that you guys need that's a small space that you need to lock the top on. These are the perfect solution, and they're so adorable. They snap on perfectly. I just think these are an amazing deal, and they come 2 for $1. Another amazing little find, you guys, is the Surefresh Soup Mug. Again, I got some of these for myself and my daughter. Soup is one of my favorite kind of winter, springtime things to eat, and these snap on. So you just have your little cup of soup, you pop it in there. You guys could also keep fruits and veggies in here. I'm just thinking there's so many different ideas. It also has the little thing at the top to where you guys can let your soup breathe. You just pop that open. So many amazing ideas for this, and my favorite thing is it's in my very favorite color, pink. Another thing I'm super pumped about is getting my spring cleaning on with these adorable little colored bottles. You guys, we can put some cleaner in here, all natural cleaners from home, mix it up, or we can use them as a water spray bottle, which I've actually already been using for this one, just to spritz my clothes with some water while I'm ironing my clothes. Again, I grabbed one in the pink and then one in this beautiful teal. You guys could make a pretty little label, and you would never guess that this is from the Dollar Tree. How amazing is our spring cleaning going to be with these fun and fabulous little bottles? Hey, you guys, it's the little things for me. Another thing that they are putting out are these clear organizational boxes. Now, again, if you're following the home edit and you're obsessed with them, just slightly like I am, I love to craft, but I also love to organize. It's like a weird little thing I love to do, but they have these clear boxes, and they have this nice little shade of pink, you guys. So I did pick up several of these. These are just the shoe size storage boxes. And again, there's so many different ideas you guys can do with these, but I do love them because they have the clear lid, and then you can see all the way around them. So you guys definitely check the Dollar Tree before you go out and spend a bunch of money on organizational projects. You're really going to be surprised at what you find. Another amazing product are these cute little storage totes with the handles. These are great for under your bathroom sink. They make great little going to the beach little storage containers. You can pop a towel and some beach toys in there, or you guys can pop some washcloths into here. I had one of these years ago, and so many of you all asked me about it. And so if you love pink, definitely grab some of these. These are a great size, and they have a little bit more of some bend and give to them. And then plus with the little handle, you could organize your cleaning supplies. So fun and fabulous for only $1. Now let's talk about some desktop and smaller space organizations. I grabbed one of these to organize the papers on my desk, which I thought was so adorable. I love this little detail on the side, and it also has the cute little handles. Another one that I grabbed that I'm already using as well is this little guy. What I do love about this is you can micro organize with this one as well as this size. So there are several different sizes here. Now, of course, you guys probably couldn't do that, but you know, there's just so many different little options here, and they're so fun and adorable, and for only $1, you really cannot go wrong. These are amazing. These are great for underneath the bathroom storage. So many great ideas. I cannot wait to share with you guys the organization projects that I'm working on. You're going to be blown away. Another favorite that is my daughter's go-to is this little basket. This one is super duper sturdy, so definitely check for this one. Again, they're coming in the teal and the gray and the soft pastel colors, which I absolutely love. This is just such a great size though. You can set this on your desk. Again, under the bathroom storage. These are just amazing sizes for you guys to keep so many goodies and just to keep them clutter corralled and contained. Another thing I picked up to refresh my kitchen was this super cute little pitcher. Now, I am a huge water drinker. I drink water all day. That's pretty much my staple and go-to. And I do love to have a water container in the fridge. So I went ahead and grabbed this super cute pink one. I want to kind of transition some of my fridge storage containers to just be a little bit more cute. So that's actually kind of why I bought some of those smaller storage containers too. I may be using them them in my fridge, but I'm going to take you guys along on all my organization projects. But this one I thought was so cute, and again, it comes in all those beautiful pastel colors, but for me, pink was definitely where it was at. Another fun space to refresh is your laundry room. For only $1, you guys can go pink or you can go aqua. How adorable are these? And again, you guys can just go all one color, or you can kind of mix and match these. These are the Dollar Tree little organizers for, you know, I like to put sheets in them. They're laundry baskets. I have done so many little crafts with these too. If you guys go check out my YouTube channel with my DIYs and crafts. So really the sky is the limit on these. And again, these come in all of those fun pastel colors, and they just make me so happy. And it's just a fun way for only $1 to refresh your space. And then last but not least, if you guys are refreshing, you might want to look at some of their larger containers. This I believe is the wastebasket size, but I think I'm going to put florals in here. Florals is one of my favorite things to craft with. If you guys are new, welcome. I love to arrange florals, but those florals get like really hard to contain. So I thought this would be perfect to pop a couple of different bundles, and then how pretty does it look? And maybe I'll even Cricut something really nice to go on the outside. And then I have one more other large container, which I have used this for laundry room organization. So many different organizing projects. I love this size. And this actually is a little bit more of the dusty pink over the pale pink. So I think they go well together, but they're just a little bit different. And again, they come in all those pastel colors. I chose the pink. You guys don't have to go wild over pink, but I think it's just going to be a happy color to bring into my space. Moving on to a couple of other high-end Easter decor goodies. They are carrying these metal carrots. Oh my goodness, you guys. These are super high-end. You would definitely see them for much more than $1. They come on a long stake, which you guys could pop into the ground to make a fun little decor thing, or you guys could remove them from the stake and add them to like a little floral arrangement. The other thing that is super adorable that they're putting out on the stakes, I love the Dollar Tree stakes, they're just so fun, are these cute little bunnies. Check these out. They have like a mama bunny here, and then maybe this is a dad bunny, I don't know, but how cute are these? I think these are so happy. And again, these would be way more than $1 if you're looking at these at your TJ Maxx. And these easily pop off of the back of here. Well, I say easily, but you do kind of have to use like a little bit like of a wire cutter tool to cut those off. But again, it's so fun and fabulous for only $1. Another high-end spring goodie to keep your eye out for is some of this new Dollar Tree ribbon. I love this. This looks completely high-end to me with this beautiful kind of a glam stripe through it. And I picked some up in the pink with the silver stripe, and also this kind of cream colored with the little brown stripe. So keep your eye out for this. Now, this is not in the spring Easter section. It's just in your regular craft section, but I was shocked to find it. I think it would make amazing Easter crafts, and also if you're crafting for a baby shower or a birthday party. Another thing that I love to use in my spring crafts are these liners. So you guys can actually use these to plant your plants in. They're called a cocoa liner, but I love to craft with them for spring. So I went ahead and picked one up. I do have a fun little craft in mind. If you guys are going to DIY along with me, just keep your eye out for these, and these are in the garden section. I always love to grab at least one little sweet treat when I go out to the Dollar Tree, and I thought these marshmallows were so cute. I see these at Tuesday morning for much more than $1. I'm not really for sure why, but they actually are really tasty. I usually just kind of use them for decor in my vignettes that I share with you guys, but they're the perfect little pastel colors, and they actually came in 2 different colors, and they're at the checkout register section. At least they were at my Dollar Tree. So I went ahead and grabbed a couple of bags of these. Another thing that I thought was really cute for decorating your Easter vignettes were the mini Easter chocolate bars. So cute, and like they just look really high end to me. So they have the little bunnies, and they're all in these pastel colors. And again, you guys can also use these in Easter baskets, but I just thought these were so cute. They're in the regular Easter candy section if you want to go and look for those. Another fun section that Dollar Tree has out right now are their fairy gardens. Oh my goodness, how cute are these? So I've been picking up little fairy garden goodies along the way, and I didn't think that my daughter was really interested in doing fairy gardens this year, but she popped into the Dollar Tree with me, and she was like, Mom, can we grab some fairy garden supplies? And I'm like, yes, we can totally grab some fairy garden supplies. So keep your eye out for some of the fun fairy garden goodies. If you like to make little vignettes, these are fun to pop even into your 3-tiered colored trays, and you guys can repaint them if you don't care for the original look on them. And also they're great for doing little fairy gardens with kids and grandkids. I promise you, it is such a fun and easy little craft to do. And last but not least, I did pick up one of these super adorable bunny tinsel guys. We're probably going to be removing the tinsel from him, and then some of these cute little Easter baskets. I've really never crafted with these actual 2 tinsel pieces, but I think they're going to be fun for an upcoming DIY. So that is going to be it for this Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys got some ideas for what to look out for if you're going to be doing some spring cleaning, organizing, and just some ways that you guys can jazz up your home on a budget. Thank you guys so much for joining me. As always, I'm Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home, and I just love to share with you guys how you can have a boutique, gorgeous home on a budget. I would love to have you subscribe to this YouTube channel and join my little community here. It's totally free. I'm also hosting a giveaway. I'm going to be announcing a candle giveaway on Saturday, you guys, with these flickering flameless candles. I also give these away on my Facebook page. So these are just super fun. I just am such a fan of these, especially right now during these winter months. So these candles are really nice, and I love them because they're battery operated. They're flameless flickering candles. I'll link some in my Amazon store, but they're super safe for pets and kids, or if you're forgetful like me and you forget to blow out your regular candles. Anyway, so I love y'all to the moon and back. I can't wait for our next video. So much fun crafting and decorating to come. Thank you guys again for being here. Also, I would love to invite you guys to join me on my Facebook page. I do share several DIYs a day for you guys over there, just to keep you crafting and inspired and energized to decorate and craft on a budget. I also have Olivia's Romantic Home Instagram page. You guys want to pop over there. I do share a good morning cup of coffee with you with my little Dollar Tree prayer cards and all of that jazz. And then you guys can see Benji Bear on my stories. He's always up to something. So thank you guys again. I love y'all to the moon and back. I can't wait for our next video. And until then, remember, be kind to yourselves and be kind to one another. And we'll talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright.